you all here is two very important things. We're here to dedicate our facility, and we are here to have first light.
I'm Harry Leggiello, Director of Operations at Jones Beach, and we want to welcome you all here tonight, and good turnout. We're very proud of the Nature Center. Having the Nature Center here at Jones Beach affords us the opportunity to have programs like this that we're also very proud of.
Tonight, we open our second observatory. When we try to pick out anything by itself, we find it hitched to everything else in the universe. Years before we actually understood what it was that made that statement actually true. Before we knew about supernovas and how supernovas create all of the elements and all of the things that make all of our bits and pieces and make us all related, so that we are all related, so that everything around us is hitched to everything else in the universe. The statement was made not by an astronomer, but by a naturalist, a man who relished and appreciated everything around him and spent his life making every effort to save its grandeur for posterity. That man was John Muir, the founder of the Sierra Club. Very prophetic, I think. We find that it is a fitting tribute to him that our local Sierra Club, out Long Island, has chosen to provide a grant so that we could acquire his very large 20-inch telescope. And hereafter, it will be known as the Sierra Club Observing Telescope, or Great Scott. And it will enable us to introduce the public to the natural wonders of the world above us.
The motto of the Sierra Club is explore, enjoy, and protect the planet. And the efforts that the Sierra Club engages in touch all of those things. And Harvey? Okay. So I would like at this point to present a check for $5,109.96 to the amateur. I'd also like to thank Sue for that quote from John Muir. I did not know that quote, but I'm going to remember it.
See, it's one of the things that I like to tell people when we do a lot of outreach projects and programs, is that since all of the little bits and pieces that make us up, come from exploding stars, that means that all of us are related. We're all cousins, so to speak. So we're family. But you're also family not only to each other, but you're a family to everything around you, to the air that you breathe, to the wood that grows in the trees, to the tile of the floor that you stand on. We're all related. So as we look out into the nighttime sky, we're actually sort of doing a family history and looking back into time that way. And that's a really cool thing that we're able to do. Introduce to you somebody who's very special, and somebody who has done an absolutely outstanding job in getting us to this point here today. But not only that, he is going to continue to do that work. And that is our newest member of the board and the director of the observatory that we're about to dedicate tonight, and that is Gene Zagorski.
Hello, my name is Gene Zagorski, and I'm the first director of the Amateur Observer Society of New York's Observatory here at the Theodore Roosevelt Nature Center. We of AOS trust that you will enjoy a trip back in time while peering through the great sky. Again, thank you all for being here, and we trust that you will enjoy your visit. Thank you.
members who was very instrumental in helping us with the project, Gordon Shepard, has moved to New Mexico. He is not here in person, but I can assure you he is here in spirit. It's really cool when you have somebody who comes and it's his birthday and you say, oh, well, this particular star, you know what? The light from that star that you're seeing right now came or started out from that star just when you were born. And it's come here right now to celebrate your birthday. Or any other special event, you know, and we can do those sorts of things. You know, we keep lists around with things that are light years away. So we hope that that you will come back and join us for some of those activities. The members of the Amateur Observer Society are here working to provide that astronomical experience for the public. Annie, Mark, Jean, we have a red ribbon that's going to be cut to open up our observatory.
Can we have the three of you together with your scissors up?
Okay, on behalf of the Amateur Observer Society of New York, I hereby officially open this observatory for business.
Hey Jeff, how you doing, buddy? Yeah.